All right, it is Saturday, June something, and I'm done. So you see it's got wheels on it. Did a lot of work on this guy. Full suspension, built fuel cell, put on the tailgate, which took a while. Got all that done. The interior's done. Turn on some light. But you can see transmission tunnel's done. The wire and harness is done. This is the one to the computer, so I ran it through the firewall and underneath the passenger seat. And you can see I got the seats in. All the papers out. Got stereo, rear view mirror. Got them lights. I put on the spotlight, shifter, everything. That floor turned out really good, really good. Then come around here, full wiring harness, coming out of the firewall. Put the brake system on, water pump, air system. Built a little bracket to hold that air filter up. Horn, everything, radiator. Put this little air dam on. Then come back here. Look how cool that looks. It was even missing one of the grill teeth right here. So I got that guy on there. Wipers, spotlight, all that. So there's not 1 inch on this truck that I haven't touched, but I think it turned out pretty damn good. So look in there and you can see, even if you wear boots or shoes or whatever, you're not going to hurt that wire and harness with that wire loom on there. But yeah, that's inside of the truck. And most of you remember I put the battery in the ammo box, set it up so that the ammo stuff read to the outside. See if we can get that. So that's the back of the truck. Then right there, let me see if I can do this. Right there is a reverse camera. License plate bracketry. So it's pretty badass. 32-inch shifter. See, that's the GPS for the speedometer. And all the gauges work. And lights work. I mean, this thing is ready. I'm pretty stoked. I got that computer done in there. So I finished the transmission tunnel, running the wiring. I built that bracket for the air filter setup. So everything on this fucker's ready. And this is the tooth, the grill tooth I was talking about that was missing. So you had that big gap in there, but I think that looks pretty good. But yeah, that thing, it's badass. All right. He's gonna come and get it today. Later, everybody. Thanks for those that watched the build from the beginning to the end. It's been quite the build process. But anyways, later.